Pratima Garu, can you please start?
Thank you, Srikant Garu. Namaste, Patri sir. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to share the experience and knowledge we received through this inner journey process. Before that, I just want to give like my spiritual experience, like how did I enter into this spiritual world. It was around like 1998. I was at the age of 15 years. During years, I got into this spiritual journey. So during this spiritual journey, with a simple technique of like observation on the breath, I have experienced a wonderful experiences, like doing an astral travels and seeing my past lives, and meeting many masters astrally and taking the messages and knowledges from them, and having many wonderful third eye visions. And I have gained a lot of knowledge and experience with this spirituality by just following the simple technique, observation on the breath. Thank you so much, Patri sir, for giving us this simple technique to travel deeper within ourselves and discover our inner reality. And coming to inner journey process, I would like to utilize this time for giving some insight of how this inner journey process has been initiated to the US team. So what was our how was our journey during this time? So as coming to inner journey, we heard about inner journey program opportunity, where we have no idea like what it is all about and what is going to happen during this inner journey process, because we were one of the initial batches. So we have no clue, but still we got into this opportunity to explore what is the process is all about and how does it help. So when we entered into this inner journey process, we got to hear only two things, that is like surrenderance and acceptance. So rest of all masters will be taking care of during this meditation. So we did so, and we were in awareness all through the process, and we witnessed the wonderful experiences during this process. Like we all had a wonderful visions of like masters doing process to in our chakra level and cell level, and how they are activating all our chakras, and how the experiences when all the chakras are getting open. So this was these all things really motivated us to continue this entire program. And during this program, we got a message from the masters that to initiate this event globally across all the countries. So with the masters messages, we all the entire inner journey ninth group, we thoroughly participated in starting up a new process batch for the global event. And every single stage of this inner journey process, none of this was taken decision by any of this group or anyone. It is all the entire process has been driven by the masters itself. Like we used to sit in meditation and connect to the masters and take the messages. Even like the journey inner journey group number, and even the form when we were creating everything, whatever the content we had to put in the form has been given by the content was shared by the masters. So we, the third eye masters, used to sit in the meditation and channel to the higher masters and take the messages, like what to be put in that. And the process of this complete screening process was also been done by the masters itself. Like I really want to reveal how did it went. So during the screening process, like the third eye masters used to sit in a meditation and connect to the masters, and we have received around like 400 applications. So every single the remaining masters used to sit with these third eye masters, and they used to read about all the details of this applicant. So the third eye masters who used to connect with the masters like Mahavtar Babaji, so they used to take the information like the information about the applicants, whether they are accepted or put on hold, and all the affirmations also has been given by masters to each and every one. So complete every single stage of this screening process was done with the help of masters, not with anyone's involvement. So that was a wonderful experience to all our Inner Journey 9th group. So I thank Balakrishna sir for giving all of us this wonderful opportunity to rediscover ourselves through this Inner Journey process. And thank you so much for my great team with whose support we have done this. We are today here with the inauguration program. Yeah, thank you each one of my Inner Journey 9th group. And thank you, Srikant Garu, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience. So now, friends, I would like to invite Sirisha, who is also a part of organization team. She will be sharing her experience during this process.
Namaste, Patri sir. Namaste to all masters. I am Sirisha Pamidi, living in Atlanta. I have been practicing Anapanasati meditation since 2001 and realized the Aham Brahmasmi state in the year 2018. I place my humble gratitude to Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji for introducing a simple meditation technique into my life and millions across the world. In 2019, with the blessings of Brahmarshi Pitamaha Patriji, inaugurated Siddhartha Pyramid Meditation Center at my house in Atlanta. Since then, we have organized meditation sessions, guided meditation sessions, one-on-one meditation sessions, full moon meditation sessions, and wisdom sessions. During the pandemic, I have been busy organizing digital meditation sessions along with my regular group meditation classes. One fine day, I got a phone call from Grandmaster Balakrishna sir. He asked me to initiate first Inner Journey group with masters in USA with prerequisites and commitments. I formed a team with 17 masters from various cities in USA and started Inner Journey process for 100 plus days with beautiful experiences that I like to share. Major improvement in my awareness and consciousness in my daily life. Notable change in the perspective from duality to oneness in every aspect of life. Calm and peaceful mind in all the situations. Through the Inner Journey process, it is easy to connect to higher worlds and masters. All the higher masters are ready to connect with us and ready to help us in the ascension process within me and as well as in the earth ascension process. We got message in mid-August 2020 to take the Inner Journey process into a large group. Got more than 400 and plus applications with participants across 12 countries. In short span of time, under the guidance of Balakrishna sir, with help of my team members, masters, we were able to complete the whole process. In screening process, all of us observed masters giving high affirmations and suggestions to each participant with great care, equality and kindness. We have enjoyed the whole process of selecting members for the Inner Journey and getting connected to higher frequencies of energies. This whole process has been guided and directed by Mahavtar Babaji and Patriji. I'd like to thank to our third eye masters, Swapna Madam, Lahari Madam, and Pratima Madam, and Pavni Madam. So for their contributions and guiding us through the process. Also, I'd like to thank the following individuals. Anila Garla from Atlanta, Chandrakala Kodi from Atlanta, Rajesh Shetty from Chicago, Nikita Rani from Arkansas, Devi Chakka from New Jersey, Arun Alladurgam from Atlanta, Sheetal Pawar from Atlanta, Jhansi Lakshmi from Chicago, Gopi Penumurthy from Austin, Lahari from Hyderabad, Tulasi from Rajamundry, Shailaja from Hyderabad, Arjun from Minneapolis, Sridevi Puna from Sydney, Josna from Austin, in coordinating with participants and getting us ready for Inner Journey session. As part of initiation process, we will be meditating for 1 hour to set energy circle for Inner Journey 18 group. Prior to the Inner Journey process, we have planned 12-day pre-workshops with Patriji concepts. I'd like to thank Srikant Garla for big support in this process. I'd like to thank Pyramid Master Venugopal Reddy sir accepting my request as today's speaker. And finally, I place my humble gratitude to Balakrishna sir and Sunita madam from Hyderabad for giving me this opportunity to organize these sessions. Today, we all welcome friends to the Inner Journey process and thank you. Handing over to Jhansi.
Namaste Patriji and namaste to everyone. I'm Jhansi Lakshmi from Chicago, USA. Since 14 years, I have been into this meditation, pyramid meditation. I'm feeling so blessed to be part of this inner journey. I have experienced a lot of transformation actually, and also expanded my consciousness and thought visions and expanding of aura, and also feeling connected with the source energy, and always getting messages from Babaji and universe and all the spirit animals, and from everything also. I'm getting in my daily life, I'm getting so many messages from God, Goddess, and also leading a systematic and meaningful and purposeful life. I was participated with in the inner journey process with 100% commitment and trust. Awareness is the key, very important key is here. I was always trying to be in awareness. The inner journey takes you to a place where you can experience your true self and find your way back to the joy in your life. So it's a very powerful process. It's a portal like which is connecting with everything. So experience, it will make every person experience their own journey. So I would like to thank Babaji, Lord Shiva and Amma and Patriji also. And also thankful to Balakrishna sir and Pavni ma'am, and who are continuing their journey, my fellow meditators in the group. Thank you so much.
Sir, so
Wonderful. Very nice.
Yes, sir. So it was really a very grand success with the applicants, sir. When we saw, hearing the energies levels of this group from the masters, we felt really happy that this is a very nice group. So this is a 55-day program, sir. So we are doing a 12-day theory sessions wherein we'll talk about our concepts and also meditate. And after that is where our inner journey starts, sir. So that is our plan of action, sir, for next 55 days. So,
Great, Baba.
Sir. So, sir, what do you want us to do next, sir? You want to hear a couple more, or should we go ahead with some meditation?
Couple more.
Okay, sir. Gopi Garu from Austin, Texas. Can you please unmute, sir?
Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, it is freezing up, I think, sir.
Yeah. Can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Yeah. I would like to first give my thanks to Patriji, Brahmashi Patriji, Mahathir Babaji, and Mahadev for blessing us with this wonderful journey called Inner Journey. To start with, I have started my meditation journey 7 years back. And prior to that, I was doing other meditation techniques, but I found my ground in PSSM movement because of its simplicity and its the ability to adopt it in our day-to-day life. Coming to my inner journey, which I've been part in Inner Journey 9, I would say that it emphasized the need to be more aware of your inner self. And I learned that awareness has various levels to be aware of. And I started practicing that on a day-to-day basis, and I found that it has a lot more benefits than just the plain vanilla awareness we talk about. And one thing it has helped me in one place is that when I was doing meditation normally, I used to get a lot of disturbing thoughts and all those kind of blockages and all that. But one fine day, I kept asking this question as to how can I resolve that? And one fine day, I kind of sat in meditation and invited Patriji, Mahadev, and Babaji. And they started a 1 hour journey for me where the energy levels from them, along with other astral masters, took my conscious level to different level that from that day onwards, I have seen like a total switch off all those disturbing thoughts whenever I do meditation. So that to me was the big a leap forward because I was struggling with that kind of situation. So I would say, I think this kind of experience are very rare and something that we should look forward for. So that has leapfrogged my meditation experience further because now I can be in deep state a lot more quicker and a thoughtless state and all that. So and again, in this journey, I would say a special thanks to Grandmaster Balakrishna Garu for giving us this opportunity, and also the special thanks to our masters like Lavanya Garu, Sureka Garu, Sunita Madam, Pavani Madam, Swapna Madam, and Lahari and Pratima Garu for guiding us through our inner journey. Because of them, we have seen a lot of experiences, visualizations, and all those kind of things. So I would say that all participants in this come with open mind, come with acceptance, and be aware, and see for yourself how the journey is. So I welcome everybody aboard on this new journey. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Go ahead, madam.
First, I would like to thank Brahmashi Pitamaha Patriji sir and Grandmaster Balakrishna sir, Mahathir Babaji, and Lord Shiva. And I have been part of Inner Journey 9. I enjoyed the process when this new Inner Journey program, when I started, I felt very happy and very, very energetic, and I was so much into the process. And I know I spent a lot of time in the meditation in this lockdown time, and I felt I should introduce this Inner Journey program as many people as I know. And I spent a lot of time to calling some my friends in various groups and explain them to the benefits of Inner Journey. And I'm happy to the many of our friends in this program. I would like to thanks to Balakrishna sir to give this opportunity, and Swapna madam, Pavani madam, Sunita madam, Lahari madam, and in my Inner Journey group team. Also, I would like to thanks to Ritma madam, Sirisha madam, and thanks to give this opportunity to Srikant Garu. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you all of you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Sir, before I invite Balakrishna sir, I'll take one more, sir. Nikita, sir.
Yes.
Can you please unmute?
Namaste, Patri, sir. I bow down to you, sir. And very good morning and good evening to all my dear friends and masters who have joined this program from all over the globe. So I am Nikita. I live in Arkansas, Bentonville, USA. So I've been meditating from 2001. and it has been a great experience and a great journey. So, I had many experiences right from my childhood, and I not only gained experiences, I would say this is a great spiritual family who had given me a love and knowledge. And my deepest gratitude to Patri sir, who has taught us a simple technique of meditation and who gave us, who imparted a lot of knowledge and wisdom. And coming to the Inner Journey program, so till the Inner Journey program, it was one experience, but in Inner Journey, it was a phenomenal experience, I would say. Like many of our masters explained, we could visualize, experience energies. And my personal experiences, not only in meditation, I could feel these, but in my day-to-day life, I was able to be aware of my thoughts and actions. Like even if you're telling something, you think of once and then you realize, oh, maybe this is something that I should not say, being a meditator, and take it back. I mean, yeah, you can definitely reconstruct your words, though you don't tell them, but definitely you can reconstruct your words and rectify it immediately, which we don't do it in our day-to-day life if you do not practice this meditation. And that is the best experience, I would say. And I've been spreading so much of love. From the Inner Journey program, I only see love, love, love. I mean, let it be to people, let it be to plants, animals, or anywhere you go for a walk. It's just like spreading love to everything that you see. So it has been a phenomenal experience. So with that said, I welcome all the participants to be a part of this 55-day program and enjoy this phenomenal experience and gain a lot of wisdom. You're all going to enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you, Shrikant Garu.
So these are
Thank you to all the masters.
yes, sir. Everybody are so energetic and very keen to help in this process, sir. So everybody wanted to talk, but we wanted to hear from you, sir. So,
Balakrishna.
Balakrishna, sir. Sir, can you please unmute and switch on your camera?
Namaste, sir.
Yes, Swamiji.
Sir, namaste, sir.
Balakrishna sir, turn on your video.
Yeah.
Sir, చాలా అద్భుతంగా వర్క్ చేశారు సార్. PSSM chose the PSSM standard. Backbone is Patriji only. All these concepts come from the Patriji only, sir. We designed for this process for newcomers, sir. That's why we designed 12 days for the your concepts, sir. Then afterwards we start the process, sir. All that work very well, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Sir, namaste, sir. They have given me the opportunity to guide them, sir. So such a wonderful batch, sir, I ever met, sir. They are so enthusiastic, sir. Every time they question me, and whenever I give a little bit suggestion also, they take it into the consideration, sir. And they try to modify themselves. In such a way they progress. It is my intention to start it in all over all the 6 continents.
Oh, yeah.
They have applied it so soon.
Moon also. Moon also.
In a short span of 100 days, sir. Thank you, sir, very much.
Okay, okay.
Sir, very, very quickly, Lahiri Madam, sir.
Hello, sir. Hello, everyone. This is Lahari. To shortly, briefly introduce myself, I have been meditating since my third, fourth week, and it's been a wonderful journey. Learned so many things, met so many people, and obviously, meditation played a huge role and helped me quite a lot. And coming to Inner Journey 18, I have participated in the screening process. I would just like to say how the screening process happened. People were, when the masters, when they were screening, so they were just looking for two aspects. One, if their energies match the Inner Journey energies, and two, if they are willing to learn about themselves, grow, know about themselves, travel into the deeper versions of themselves, and just like willing to be an open person. They were just selecting them. It was such a beautiful thing, seeing the selection process, and the energies of every participant was so having this blossom, like a blossom flower, so vibrant and fragrant. It was very good. And also participating, helping Deepthi ma'am in her meditation, Inner Journey meditation. I'll be like mostly working on the background. So yeah. And I would like to thank all the participants for coming and making up Inner Journey 18. It's such a beautiful thing. And also coronavirus for giving us such a beautiful time to get together and explore and know ourselves a lot. Because so many masters thanked so many people. I think I should thank these two also. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Larry madam. Rajesh, you want to just quickly come up? So he's been handling all our technical aspects, sir. Like working on this huge database on formatting and helping out to reach out to people and all that. Rajesh, can you unmute yourself? Yeah, switch on your camera. We cannot see you.
Rajesh, we can't hear you.
Okay. Yeah, I think some is not able to reach. Sir, we just want Pavni madam and Swapna madam to switch on their cameras so that people can see you, madam, if you can. Because these people are really giving a lot of guidance, sir. Pavni madam and Swapna madam. Yeah, you say hello, madam, so that you will come onto the screen.
Sir, namaste. Sir.
Yes, Baba.
Sir, namaste. Nenu Pavni from Belampalli, sir.
Thank you.
Carry on.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Rajesh, are you back?
Yes, Srikanth, can you hear me now?
Yes, yes.
Patri sir, my deepest gratitude to you. I bow down to you, sir. Thank you for helping me learn the meditation and helping me in this process every single time I call for you. Team, I'm part of Inner Journey 9. I live here in Chicago, United States. Firstly, I would like to welcome every single participant to Inner Journey 18 who are screened and selected. So it's been a great journey for past 3.5 months where we started this Inner Journey 9 program. We were able to enjoy every single moment, see ourselves transforming a lot personally, spiritually and professionally, sir. Balakrishna sir and everyone part of Inner Journey 9, thank you for giving me this opportunity, and let's serve as many people as we can. Patri sir, again, thank you very much, sir.
Very good, Baba.
Sir, thank you, sir. So, sir, we are starting from tomorrow, sir. We are doing from 18 principles to today we covered science of meditation. Like that, every day we are covering different topic with different masters across the globe, sir. We have Sarojini Madam coming and talking. We have Sunita Madam coming and talking. So we have various speakers in for all these 12 days, sir, to just share our concepts to the team, because most of the team is new and we wanted to give that knowledge before we enter into the inner journey process, sir. So we are really very happy, sir, to take this opportunity. So, sir, any message for us, sir, and the team?
It's wonderful that a great program is happening in USA with the help of all our masters across the globe. There should be always some vrata, it is called a vrata, some rigorous discipline to make a quantum leap in any given field, whether it be music or meditation or science, technology, any field. We need a program, a discipline. So this is a 55-day program. I'm very happy it has been initiated today. It's getting to a good start today. And I'm happy that Venugopal Reddy is the first person here. He is such a great master. And I'm very happy to see him here today. And Balakrishna Garu and all the team of Balakrishna Garu, Premnath, these are such great masters. They have created revolutions within revolutions within revolutions in India, in PSSM. And the more you understand theory, the more wonderful your practice will be. So we need to understand all the theoretical things so that we move beautifully in our practice of meditation. Theory gives us a lot of clarity for our practice of meditation. If you have a wrong theory or incomplete theory, you cannot go ahead in your practice. But when you have a right theory and a complete theory, you can go happily in your practice of meditation. So theory is the base foundation for the superstructure called as practice. So this theory is given by Sajjana Sangatya, people who have already realized many things in their lives, who have been practicing. So then when you hear those experiences, you will have a good base for yourself. So theory is provided by two things, Swadhyaya and Sajjana Sangatya. And practice, of course, you have to do it. All theory leads to you to practice. So it has been well designed. I'm happy to hear about it and see everybody's enthusiasm. This is a big 55-day program. And it is the duty of every person to take care of one's spiritual development. You have to take care of your spiritual development as you take care of your material things. Every day you go into your kitchen, cook something, and that there is something on the dining table for you to eat. If you don't cook, there is nothing there on the dining table. So you cook and you eat. Similarly, you grow spiritually. You cook for yourself and you eat that. What you cook for yourself, you eat that. And how you cook depends upon you. What you cook depends upon you. But you are going to eat the fruits of it, the labors of it. So when you do a lot of this kind of 55-day course, course or 40-day course or 21-day course, whatever it may be, the discipline, it will give you a quantum jump, leap in your progress, in the soul level progress. And what else is there for you to do in life other than spiritual progress? We are not here to become materially rich. We are here to become spiritually rich. Materially okay and spiritually rich. We don't want to become materially rich. Our energies are not towards that end. Our energies are towards becoming spiritually rich. And materially okay, fine. Whatever is there, okay. So we draw a line for material things, but there is no limit for spiritual development. And all the masters of America are such great masters. I have seen many of them. I have visited many of them. And nice to see all the people here again, like Kameshwari Madam, Gopi Saab, okay, and all the other masters. What to do? I'm stuck up here in India. But we are meeting like this with each other, and this is very important. When we become successful in our inner journeys, respective inner journeys, we have done our duty to ourselves, our soul. Outer journey is for the body, inner journey is for the soul. And great masters like Babaji and Lord Shiva are always there with us. They are with us. What is their duty? Their duty is to help us. They don't have any other duty other than helping these budding masters. They are the grand masters. We are all budding masters. So they are there to help us in meditation. The more we are into meditation, the more we take guidance from the super masters. They are ready to give everything. We should be ready to take it. See, you can take the horse to the pond, but you cannot make it drink. So we have to drink it ourselves. We have to make those necessary efforts. Through Swadhyaya, through Sajjan Sangatya, through Dhyana, then they are going to give us everything. Like your mom gives you everything when you are a baby. So all the grandmasters, supermasters, they give us everything. We are their children. You are the child of your own mom. Remember your mom, how she treated you, how she gave you everything. When you were a baby, when you were a child, even when you are grown up, they take such care of you. Your own parents. Now, physical parents. Spiritual parents are there. Everybody has got spiritual parents. So in meditation, we contact our spiritual parents, or the spiritual parents can contact us. The material parents give you everything, all the material comforts, material education. Spiritual parents give you with all the spiritual comforts and spiritual education. The body and the soul. The body is taken care of by the physical parents. The soul is taken care of by the spiritual parents. Our overselves, our triune selves, of which a doer part is us. There are so many triune selves in the causal worlds, in the supra-causal worlds. And they send their doer parts, and we are those doer parts, Amshatma, doer parts. So our overselves are there, and our super selves are there. There is so much beautiful structure is there, the astral worlds, the causal worlds and the supracausal worlds. They are all there to help us, provided we close our eyes and become one with our breath. Provided we sit in meditation with the real understanding of theory. They are there pouring energies, pouring intelligence, pouring wisdom. Our spiritual parents. We know about the physical parents. Now through spirituality, we come to know about our spiritual parents. When we become parents, physical parents, we know about parenting first time. And our spiritual parents know about their parenting, what their duty is towards us. So, in the inner journey, what is happening? You are becoming aware of your spiritual parents. Jesus Christ said, he was giving a lecture. He was an 11-year-old boy. He was giving a lecture. Another boy came running to him, said, "Hey, your mom is calling you." Then Jesus said, "Who is my mom? Who is my father? My father is in heaven," he said. "This is not my father. My father is in heaven." He knew his spiritual parents as an 11-year-old boy. So we all have to know about our spiritual parents, from where we have come spiritually. From our parents physically we have come. From our spiritual parents we have come spiritually. The soul gets begun there. The doer part of the triune self comes here. And the rest of the triune self guides the doer part. So my dear friends, simple Anapanasati will let do. That's all. It's not at all complicated. It is all easy, perfect journey, inner journey. It is going to your spiritual home, where your spiritual parents are. As our physical home is there, as our physical parents are there, our spiritual home is there, our spiritual parents are there. Tomorrow and after, we are all going to leave this physical body here, and we are going to have our spiritual home. But before we go to the spiritual home, when we die, this is a rehearsal made in the inner journey. We go there and see and come back. What's happening there? What's existing there? It's a rehearsal before you go finally. The number of rehearsals you make will give you a better performance on the stage, the final stage when you go onto the stage. Lot of practice in the rehearsals are required to give a fine performance when the whole stage is there. So when you are going to die, say bye-bye to this physical body, then that is the final time you are going to your home. But before that, you must make all these practice visits to your home, to your parents, to those grand super personalities, super souls, from which we have individualized as a soul here, as a doer in the body. So Srikantji,
Yes,
I wish everything wonderful for you. I know it is going to be wonderful. It can't but be wonderful.
Yes, sir.
And let us do some meditation.
Sure, sir.
For about 10-15 minutes.
Sure, sir.
Venugopal, please conduct meditation. Make everybody sit in meditation.
Dear friends, please close your eyes. Relax. Close your eyes. Fingers into fingers. Cross your legs. And be with your breath. At the tip of your nose, just normal, natural breathing process. Just be aware of your breathing. Just simple, normal, natural breathing, my dear friends. Just be with your breath, my dear friends. What a wonderful music. Your breath energy, your guiding spirit, my dear friends. Your breath energy, your spiritual father and spiritual mother. Your breath energy is everything. Be with the breath, my dear friends. Your breath is your guiding spirit, my dear friends. Be with the breath. Music is your guiding spirit. By listening to music and be with your breath. What a wonderful journey indeed. Just be with your breath. Be with the breath energy, my dear friends. Be with the breath.
Final 1 minute. Only 1 more minute. Be with your breath. $30. 20 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Kindly place your hands on your eyes for 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Slowly remove your hands in the mouth of your eyes. Thank you very much, all USA team.
Thank you, sir. It was really beautiful energy, sir. Thank you very much. Thank you, Venu, sir, for guiding us, sir. Really
Thank you, thank you.
beautiful. Yeah, friends, hope you also have these energies felt. So thank you again for joining today on this wonderful inauguration.